What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you're here for the very first time, go check out my crypto projects at www.coffeeandcoins.info. The link is in the description, guys. All right, we're back. I just want to do a quick update on Spritz, guys. I've been talking about this one for a while. This is a great tool to have in your arsenal. All right, if you're in the crypto space, off-ramp crypto to your bank account in just one transaction. We empower you to use your crypto anywhere in the world. We're here to provide you with refreshingly easy access to the power of decentralized finance, giving you the freedom to use your crypto on your own terms. With our innovative solutions, you can experience a new way to unlock the full potential of your digital assets. Join us today and start using your crypto the way it's meant to be used. This is a virtual card that you're going to get, a virtual Visa debit card, guys. All right, if you haven't checked this out, go to my link www.coffeeandcoins.info. get registered, get your free crypto debit card. It's pretty awesome. You can send crypto to your bank, pay your bills, load a Spritz card, secure payments, pay anyone, automated payments. I mean, you can link this thing to your Google Pay wallet or your Apple Pay wallet. Okay, it's pretty darn cool. All you got to do is fund your account. All right, they got an app, and they still have it where you can go online and do it as well. But I really like this because, like I said, you can link it to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Just what you see here is how it's set up. You got your virtual card right here. Click this button, fund your crypto account. They give you the options on which currencies you can upload, and you just send it from your wallet right over. All right, so pretty cool stuff. So definitely go and download the app. All right, and check this thing out. I mean, if you're in the crypto space, this is something you should have. All right, guys. So what's the update? Let's take a look. They sent out an email, and it's in the Telegram group, I believe. Where did I see it? I think it was in, hang on a second. Let me see. It was an email I got. All right, so it's two emails. Let me read you this first one. This one came out a day or so ago, I believe, the 15th or so. So it says here, the Spritz UK and EU bank off-ramp is live. For first, number one, this Spritz service was only for US only, right? So they're branching out. All right, so it says here, we're thrilled to announce a game-changing update from Spritz Finance. Spritz bank transfer is now live for UK. Okay, so easily link your bank account. If you're in the UK, add your GBP accepting accounts using your account number and sort code. In the EU, great, add IBAN bank account. So for those of you that know what that is, you would know what it is. You can link your bank account, receive a unique blockchain address tied to your account, send one of the supported stable coins to the address, and we'll handle the rest. So this is great. They support stable coins, Ethereum, USDC, USDT, Polygon, USDC, USDT, Optimism, USDC, USDT, Arbitrum, USDC, USDT, Celo, EUR, USD, and Tron, USDT. Special launch pricing, only 1%. Yes, you read that right. Enjoy a low fee of 1% that's deducted automatically from your transfers. Simply send your crypto to your generated address and we'll take care of the rest. Ready to get started. All right, so that's exciting news, guys. It's like I said, Spritz started out only for the US only. It says we're incredibly excited to bring the convenience of Spritz to more sprites. sprites across the world. Stay tuned as we have more exciting announcements coming soon. All right, so that's one update. Then they came back with another one. Let's talk about that one. Okay, and then today this one came out. 'Tis the season. A holiday surprise from Spritz is almost here. The holiday season is all about surprises and joy, and we at Spritz Finance are embracing this festive spirit to bring something special to you. Are you ready for a holiday gift? It's not just any present. It's something that we believe will only enhance your crypto journey as we close out 2023. The best part, anyone off-ramping to a U.S. bank account will automatically be eligible. Oh, let's see. The big reveal is coming this Monday. So get ready to unwrap our surprise. We promise it's something you'll be excited about. So keep an eye on your inbox. You won't want to miss it. Let's make this holiday season one to remember. Stay tuned. All right, so shout out to Spritz on that. All right, so let's take a look at something here. All right, so this is what you're looking at, guys. This is the website online, right? And so you can see here to your left, pay bills, bank transfer, debit card. That's what you're looking at right here. It's a virtual card everybody gets. When you click this little eye here, when you flip it around, it'll give you your whole card number. And you can actually, like I said, you can make purchases with this online. You can link it to, like they say here, your Google Wallet or your Apple Wallet. So when you're out and about, you want to purchase something, you can do that with this. Just load it up and go out. The only thing you can't do is go to the ATM because it's not a physical card, right? But anything online, you can use your virtual prepaid crypto debit card. Right here it says you can buy crypto, okay? And if you want to share it with others, do so. Like I said, my link is in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go check out this Spritz information, guys. Something you definitely should check out if you're in the crypto space. It's free. Doesn't cost you one dime. All right, so that's the update on Spritz. Just wanted to bring that to you guys. We'll stay tuned. So Monday we got a big surprise coming, they say, so can't wait to see what that's all about. Shout out to Spritz. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.